Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Why This School supplement prompt. So when you're approaching a supplement prompt, it's important to remember that when schools ask this kind of question, schools want to see if you are going to be a good fit for the college. And that means for the college's campus culture and academic philosophy, how will you fit into the college community? So in this essay, you're going to want to show that you've done your research and use the essay to convince admissions officers that this school is the best fit for you. So this essay, the Why This School essay, can discuss academic programs, extracurricular activities, the location and size of the school's diversity, the school philosophy, student culture, all of those aspects of what makes a school unique that we've talked about in previous videos. So when you're approaching this essay, you want to think about the research that you've done, what you've read about the school, and what makes that school stand out to you. So when you're responding to the Why This School prompt, your answer should usually have these three parts. You want to talk about your background, values, and academic interests. You also want to mention the school's specific resources and programs that appeal to you. And then, drawing those first two parts together, you want to explain how those resources would allow you to advance your interests, both academic interests and interests you have and want to pursue outside the classroom. So let's think about that first part in a little more depth. So your background, values, and academic interests. This can include a lot of different things. It can include intellectual topics of interest. It can include possible majors, things you want to study, things that interest you in high school now that you want to learn more about. It can include past experiences that led you to become interested in particular fields. Maybe you met somebody who works in biological research and it got you really interested in biology and you want to learn more. Or even goals for college and for your life after college. How will this school help you achieve those things? Second, you want to talk about opportunities that the school offers. So we've talked a little bit about this before in other videos, but this includes things like academic opportunities, specific programs, academic departments, the subjects you want to study, courses you want to take within those departments. It can also include professional opportunities. So this might mean career development, but also internship programs that are specific to the university. Many college students do internships, so you don't want to talk about internships generally, but if you are interested in a particular academic department that partners with a certain institution maybe to offer internship programs, that could be something to mention here. And just other kinds of training opportunities, hands-on learning opportunities that the college or department within the college offers. You can also write about extracurricular opportunities. So clubs, sports, all those things you want to do at college outside of class. This could be things that you did in high school and want to continue to pursue, or things that you've never tried before but will be able to as a college student. With all of these different kinds of opportunities, it's always best to mention these programs by name when you can. So show that you've done your research, that you've read about the program. So instead of saying the school newspaper, give the name of that newspaper on campus. So again, all of that research that you've already done about the college, using the college website, resources like the FISC guide, the College Board website, College Confidential, conversations with alumni, all of that information you can incorporate into your Why This School essay. So now the third part of the Why This School essay, right? How you and the college are a great match. So here you are taking the first two parts of your essay, what your interests are and what opportunities the school offer, and showing how those two things really fit together and show that you are an ideal student for this college. So you want to ask yourself, how do the school's values align with my values? How is the school going to help me achieve my goals, both in college and after college? And how will I contribute to the college community? So if you can address those kinds of points, you'll really be able to draw together the specific details that you've already introduced about yourself and about the college to show that you're a great fit for this school. So to recap, you have 3 parts to your answer. First, your background, values, and academic interests. Second, the school's specific resources and programs. And third, how those interests will allow you to advance your interests.